Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to make some yogurt bak. This has been trending all over TikTok and I decided to give it a try. So you're gonna need some plain yogurt. That's what I used. I used plain yogurt and some strawberry yogurt, and I also had some frozen blueberries, but you can also use fresh ones if you had. I only had the frozen ones in the fridge, and I also had pomegranate and some mixed seeds. So yeah, let's get into it. So first you're gonna take your plain yogurt. So the reason why I put it on, okay, so mine, I first took a baking tray and then I added the parchment paper on top, and then yeah, I did that because I wanted it to be easier for me, like to transfer it to the fridge and stuff like that, so I'll be able to freeze it. But yeah, you just spread your plain yogurt evenly just like that. And then after that you're gonna add the strawberry yogurt. So the different color is just like, okay, the strawberry yogurt is just to give it, a different color. So you can just use any, you can use chocolate, you can use, your pineapple, your peach, whatever flavor that you prefer, you can just use it. And then after that you see me adding the pomegranate also to give it color. It has to look colorful, and fun. Food doesn't have to look boring, guys, basically. So yeah, and then there you see me adding the blueberries, and then after that you're just gonna sprinkle some mixed seeds onto it just like that, for that healthy vibe of it. Yeah, but yeah guys, it looks so nice. This time I hadn't frozen it. This is very good, and it can work as a healthy snack for kids. Instead of giving kids ice cream and stuff, you can just give them this. So after that you're gonna freeze it for at least 2 hours, and after 2 hours it's gonna look something like this. And yeah, so I transferred it to a board so that I'll be able to cut it properly, and then you just cut it to your desired shape. Okay, it was frozen, so it was going to be complicated for me. That's why it came out looking however it came out looking. But yeah, it turned out so good. It was so delicious. If you've got kids, you can actually make this together with them. I'm sure it'll actually be a fun activity. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys click the subscribe button and also you turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a new video. But yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.